In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create columns in Card. If you've ever wanted to place text beside an image, build a pricing grid, or simply organize content into neat side-by-side sections, columns are the way to go. Card makes this easy using a container element, which you'll switch to a columns layout and then customize to fit your design. Start by heading to the Card website and opening the dashboard. From there, choose the project you want to edit so it loads in the Card editor. Once you're in the editor, look for the Add button, usually shown as a plus icon. Click that to insert a new element into your page. Select Container from the list of elements. A container is a flexible wrapper that can hold other elements and control how they're laid out. With the container selected, open its settings panel and find the type dropdown. By default, it's set to a standard box, but switching it to columns instantly turns that container into a multi-column layout. Now customize how those columns are divided. You'll see percentage fields that control the width of each column. Common splits are 50-50 for equal halves, or 70-30 when you want a main column for content and a narrower one for supporting info. The key is that the percentages add up to 100. If you're unsure, start with 50-50 and adjust as your content takes shape. Need more than 2 columns? Click Add in the column settings to create an additional column. This is perfect for 3-up layouts, feature grids, or galleries. Keep readability and mobile users in mind. 2 or 3 columns typically work best for most pages. You can always tweak the percentages to keep each column's content balanced and easy to scan. When your layout looks good, click Done to apply the settings. At this point, you can place elements inside each column just like you would anywhere else on the page. Add headings, paragraphs, images, buttons, or forms into the left or right column, and arrange them to tell your story clearly. If you want consistent spacing, mirror similar elements across columns and keep alignments tidy. A quick tip, preview your site to see how the columns behave on smaller screens. Card will stack columns vertically on mobile, so make sure the order and spacing still read well when they collapse. That way your layout stays clean and accessible on any device. And that's it. You've created columns in Card, adjusted their widths, added more when needed, and finished by placing content inside each one.